Hey, it's Miss V, Miss Veronica. So we're going to do mindful listening. And with this practice of mindful listening, I'm actually going to provide a variety of sounds. I took a bunch of videos of different sounds, and I'm inviting you just to listen with your ears, but notice how it makes you feel. So for the first round, if you feel comfortable, close your eyes and then just listen to the different sounds. Notice the tone, notice the frequency, notice how it makes you feel. Then you'll hear me remind you to open your eyes, and then I'll send you back and you can watch the video and listen. And two things, notice, can I hear the sounds better with my eyes closed? Is it pleasing or not pleasing, like the first time? And the second time, is it still not pleasing? Is it still pleasing? And just notice the variety of sounds that we encounter every single day. Then your practice for the week will be to notice different sounds, to go outside, listen to all the different sounds of nature and human activity, but also in your house. Just sit still, find some place to sit still with your eyes closed and just notice little things that maybe you didn't pay attention to before. Maybe that tick, 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 tick of the clock, or maybe there's a creaking noise when you open something, or maybe you, like at my house, I can hear the drip, drip, drip of the refrigerator defroster, all right? So mindful listening, tune in. So I'm gonna have all these sounds for you. I just want you to notice, is it pleasing? Is it not pleasing? And also when your eyes are closed, try to guess, what is that sound? All right, I'll be right back. So what did you think? Which sounds did you like? Which sounds for you were pleasing? Which sounds were not pleasing? And then was there a difference in your ability to tune in and focus when your eyes were closed as opposed to when your eyes were open? So mindful listening is just the opportunity, because we have so much information coming in regard to sound, to one, how do I train my brain? So when I'm at school and somebody's walking down the hallway or they're banging their locker shut, that I don't get so distracted that my attention shifts, but I can stay focused, breathing in and out, bringing my attention back. Or if I do shift, I can remember, like, have that mindful moment and bring it back to the present moment, all right? So this week, go pay attention to different sounds. Notice the noises you may make. Do you have squeaky shoes? I have squeaky shoes. When it rains, my little sneakers go, it's pretty funny. So mindful listening, tune in, spend time with your eyes closed and your eyes open, notice a difference and what sounds are pleasing, what sounds are not pleasing. And then everywhere you go, try to pick out one new sound. How about a song? Or one new bird song is what I was thinking. All right, mindful listening, you have a great week.